Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you've got one of these bags and are a drink girly, you're going to want to get this attachable cup and accessory holder.
Tiga has made the perfect cup holder for those trendy beach bags that you are seeing everywhere. It clips perfectly onto my extra large size bag, and these cup holders are so perfect. They are wide and deep, and they fit my biggest of tumblers. I can fit my 40-ounce Owala and my 30-ounce Owala and walk around with this without anything falling out. I love the little accessory tray. It is the perfect thing for a day at the beach to put your drinks in and the things that you want to keep on the top of your bag.
If you want to take your favorite beach bag to the next level, you need to get one of these cup holders. It is going to make your beach day that much better. Trust me on this one. And that's my point of view.